Okay, this is Nishant Nihar, third year constituency for the post of secretary in FMS Society.
Why are you contesting for the post you have filled your nomination for?
Basically, I had no interest in SAC. Neither was I ever drawn towards the activities conducted by SAC. But what happened was that I was in Kolkata for the Tata Crucible finals. And there was a guy from IIT Kharagpur who taunted me that yours is the institute which could not bring a certain singer. You know I'm talking about Sonalia. So it was a massive failure for the institute, and the institute report took a beat, and I thought I should contest for FMS.
Okay. How would you define the success of a secretary at the end of his or her tenure?
Basically, when you are talking of parameters to judge a secretary's success or failure, you must understand that a secretary is also part of a system. So a person can never fail or succeed as an individual. It is always the system which defines how you succeed or fail. Last year I was involved actively in Netrutsav, and we got sponsorships worth rupees 8 lakhs, which is the highest ever in NIT Rourkela history. I alone got 8 lakhs. But what was the use? We could not pay cash prizes to students. People are still complaining about why they have not got certificates from NU. There are volunteers who have not got their treats. So you see, in spite of having secretaries like Archit or BC, they're still failing. The problem is with the system. I try my best to ensure that I be a part of the system and change it.
Okay, what changes would you like to bring as a secretary?
The first and foremost is to change the mentality of people. You see, year on year we are failing to draw crowds. Why? Because Rourkela is not Mumbai, it's not Delhi. We do not have proper access to rails, roads or aircrafts. So either your institute has to be very prestigious or the cash prizes have to be very high. In our fest, we generally award them with medals. But someone who is investing highly on bands, fashion events, and spends so much time and effort traveling long distances, they will never be satisfied with medals. So my first point will be to ensure cash prizes. Number 2, sponsorships. NIT has a very bad rapport with the companies. You know the fiasco which happened with Royal Enfield. And when I was in my first year, there was also a conflict with Vodafone. So these are the things we need to change, because companies are the patrons and we should make them happy. So my agenda will be sponsorships and cash prizes.